So in simple terms, let me teach you how to develop a Forex strategy or a system, right? So if you want to develop a Forex strategy or a system, so strategy or a system, you start from a concept, right? So if you're trading ICT is a concept, it's not a strategy. For you to get a strategy, you need CEST, right? So you have to define your trading conditions, your entries, stops, and targets, right? So for instance, let's say we want to develop a strategy. We are going to use the, say, one of my EMAs, right? I'm sharing one of my EMAs. 168 EMA is one of the EMAs I use, right? So let's go to the daily time frame on USD CHF, right? So let me clean the chart. So we are currently on the daily time frame on AUD CHF, right? And basically what we are saying, we are defining our conditions. So we are saying that we want to be on the daily time frame, right? And on the daily time frame, if price is above our 168 EMA, we are looking for a buy opportunity. And if price is below the 168 EMA, we are looking for a sell opportunity, right? That is our condition. We've defined our condition. So our entry can be defined by price action. So now we've gone from condition, defining our condition. Now we are on an entry. So we are saying that our entry is going to be on price action. So entry or trend line. So for instance, we can draw a trend line like this from here, connecting that high to that high. It's an ugly trend line, but you get it, you get a point. So we draw an entry here, right? So we say that when price reaches this level, we take a buy, and we have to define our exit. So entry, we need to set our stop. So we'll be like, we'll put our stop below the next immediate level, which would be somewhere here, and our target will be the next resistance, which will be here. So when you do this, then this becomes a trading strategy. So this is the only time this can be said to be a trading strategy, because you've defined your conditions, entry and target. So in this case, you take this trade from here, we're taking a buy from here after the break or after the crossing. Like this is just put together, and your target is here. So this is a trading strategy because everything is defined. So when you go to another currency, say BTC on the daily time frame, you've set your rules. What are we looking for? A break of the, we are looking for a break of the 168. Right, there is no break here, so we are going to look for something else that we have a recent break, right? So something like this, we have a break of the 168 and a break of the 168 here, and say we draw a trend line from the previous structure like that, connecting this low. So a break and a retest here, we take our sell here, and our next profit, our profit is going to be the next resistance here. Here there is some sort of resistance here, so you could take this level here as your first TP, right? So this is our first TP here, first TP or TP. We are not doing multiple TP, so this is our TP, and your stop would be the next. So you don't want to put on the retest here, so your stop would be somewhere here, and your entry is on the retest. Wrong two. Your entry is on the retest here. Retest here. and your stop is above that candle, and that's your take profit. So this is how you develop a forex strategy, because everything you do on from here would be consistent. Let's say you go to NAS 100, right? NAS 100 on the daily time frame. You're looking for a break of this level. So there is a break and retest of this level here. So basically what you're going to do is to draw a trend line. There's a breakout. We are above here. You are looking to buy, so you buy here. Your next target technically is going to be here according to your rules, but you can, I mean, this is just giving you simple rules that you can follow, right? So here, if you take your entry here, your stop will be below the next structure here, and that is how you develop a forex strategy based on whatever concept you are trading. You just put the rules together and you have a forex strategy. So make sure you follow the SEST approach. SEST approach. Conditions, define your conditions, entry, stops, and targets. And that's how you develop a forex strategy. If you have any questions, right, drop below the comment section and I would answer your questions. If you have a simple strategy that you would like to share, I just came up with this. Like, this is not something I actually trade, but I mean, it's kind of cool. If you want to swing your trade, this looks like something decent for you to look at. So yeah, drop a comment. If you are new to the channel, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video.